Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside ANIMALZ library. So first of all, we can see that we have Png files and source files. In Png files basically there are 4 animals. Every animal has 6 poses. It's Png file, so you can just grab it and use it in your favorite design tool like Figma, Photoshop, Illustrator and so on. So these are the, for example, duck. Right, so this is the T-pose of the duck. You can use it in different software, 3D software. Here is T-pose of cat, and here are different poses. What is cool about that you can use, for example, this little thing or this little heart and use it with characters library or different our library. So let's take a look on the dog. This is the T-pose, and here are 6 different poses. It's super cute and it can easily bring some joy in your designs and in your product. Cool, then we have source files. They were done in Blender, so let's take a look in the Blender how it looks like. This is how it looks like. We have backdrop and we have 2 studio lights and we have the cute animal. Animal is fully rigged. It means that it has fully rigged face and also it has fully rigged body, so you can create any pose you want to. It's pretty fun to do. Then we have also different poses, so you can just grab it, change the color of backdrop, and you can do different colors and to meet your brand guidelines. Then take a look, for example, on a cat, and the same thing for the cat. Right, so here are the poses, and here is also the tablet is here, and here is the mobile phone. So this is how it looks like. This is what we have. Then we have the license. License is pretty standard, but we have on every other product, which is basically you can use it also for commercial use, but you can't resell, you can't redistribute the content, but you can use it for personal or commercial use. So you will find the license inside the Gumroad link, so feel free to take a look. If you have any question, please reach out to me. And then we have also tutorial, and in tutorial I will show you how you can modify the animal, how you can play with the rig, and how you can change the pose and create your own. And I will show you also how you can append this animal to our different libraries. So this was it. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about ANIMALZ library, go to animalz.design. And if you want to learn more about our other libraries, go to 3d.design. Have a great day, stay creative, bye.